Meaning of glorification.
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 Glorification. Glorification refers to the action of giving glory or honor to someone or something, often by praising them excessively or attributing supernatural power or virtue to them. This may involve exaggerating one's accomplishments or abilities, as well as idealizing or deifying them. The result of glorification can lead to a distorted perception of reality and may result in the object of glorification being placed on a pedestal, leading to unrealistic expectations and potentially harmful consequences. In essence, glorification is a form of worship or adulation that can have both positive and negative effects depending on the context and intention behind it.